Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be learning how to program your own game in Makecode Arcade. So first, let me just adjust my mic. Just wait. Okay, so first you want to go here and search up Makecode Arcade, and now you just click that, and you want to click on this, and just don't mind this. We're going to be programming a maze game, so we're going to name it the maze. Okay, now let's take a tour of the editor. Let me just fix my mic again. Sorry. One sec, guys. Let's fix my mic. Okay, now we're chilling. Okay, this is where we're gonna program. And these are all the categories you can choose from. And this is simulation in our game. And you can also program in JavaScript. I'm gonna use blocks because it's easier. So now you're going to, let's start. Let's start. So now we're going to go to the scenes category, scroll down till you find this block, and just drag it out, and just connect it. And it's going to load soon. And now you want to click this square blocks. We're going to make a maze, but this is too small for a maze. So we're going to go here and change it to 32 by 32. Okay, it's that big now. Now you want to click this tree button, and click this paint bucket, and just click that. Boom. Now it's all filled. Now we're going to click the dirt path, and then a pencil. And now just start carving out your maze. And just for the finishing touches, we're gonna make this maze really hard. It's not gonna be hard because it's probably our first or 1 billionth time making this game. It's probably my 1 billionth time making this game. I'm just gonna do that, and then just keep on doing it. And if you want a bigger maze, you can always just change the size of the map. Like right now, when I make my mazes, I make it 50 by 50. But for this video, I made it 32 by 32. And that's a maze. Now we're going to hit done. And any second now. And there we go. We loaded in the map. But we don't want it to spawn here. So first, we're going to have to add a character, which is called a sprite. Okay. And now you're going to click on the gray box. And now you're going to click gallery and pick any sprite you want. And click done. And now you want to We don't want the sprite to spawn here. So let's go back into our tile map. Click this pencil, just place it where you want it. Click done. And now we're going to go to scene and program it to camera follow my sprite. And now we're going back to the scenes category and make our sprite spawn on that block you placed. So we're going to click that block you placed. And any second. Okay, then we're there. But our sprite can't move right now, so can't move. Go to controller category and just drag that block. Okay. And now we can move. It's just refreshing. And now we can move. Oh, there's a problem. How is this going to be a maze when the sprite can walk through it? Let me tell you. Go back to your tile map, click this wall icon, and then click this paintbrush. And just click on the trees, or whatever block you're using. Okay. So the walls are now complete. Just wait for it to reload. Okay, reloaded. And now you can't walk through the trees. And now we need a way to win the game. So just refresh. Go back to our tile map. And wherever you want to place the treasure chest, you can do that whenever you want. Move the wall and erase that. No, I want the dirt tile. I'm actually gonna crash out. Okay, good. So now we're gonna go to click forest icon, then click dungeon, and then click the treasure chest. So treasure chest right here. And if you want to make decoys, like fake treasure chests, like if you touch them you'll die, just place random treasure chest here, and we're gonna program it later. One here, and one here, one here. I'm a troller. Wah ha 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 ha. Okay. So now you're gonna click done. And now you just wanna go back to scene and click this thing. Get this thing. And then it says on sprite of kind player overlaps at block. You wanna do that one? Okay, now we go to the games category and click game over win. Just load, bruh. Okay, now let's test it out. I mean test it out, not chest it out. This way, this way. I know all the way. I know my ways. See, we win. Okay, so now just reset. And now you want to do that with all the decoys. There's barely any room. So just slide over there. And now we want to get the same block, like, one more time. Now we want to get the open treasure chest. That's not going to be our lose one. We can drag out this block. Click left click. Wait, double. If you're on laptop, just hover both your fingers and click it like this. But if you're on desktop, click right click. Okay, you're going to click duplicate and click that into lose. So whenever you hit that block, you lose the game. And then people will crash out and be your enemy forever and ever. Okay, we're just going to move that block in the side because we need room. My hands are freezing right now. Okay, back here. So now we're going to add like a statue to scare the sprite. But we could add coins if you want to add coins. Let's add coins. So let's go let's go add another sprite. And if you want to make it less confusing, you can name your sprite. You can name it into Explorer. Okay. Okay, now just get the block again because I accidentally deleted it. And now you're going to have to design a coin. So I'm just going to get the circle tool and then just magic. And now pull out that yellow paintbrush. No, like the paint bucket. And bam. And now click the brown pencil tool. And just make a S. Okay. Now you want to make a line through it. Whoops. And another line here. Now we are done of this sprite. Now we're going to name this sprite into coin. Of kind. Let's see. Whoops. A new kind. Coin. So now, if you want to make the coin spin, hey, never mind, we forgot to do something. You're going to click My Tiles, click plus sign, click the yellow, click paintbrush, click that, click done. And now just add coins wherever you want. Put the yellow block somewhere. Go down. Yeah. That's a lot of coins. Now, I'm done. And now, we're gonna duplicate this block. Place coin on top of random. Let's see if there's a bug. Will it work? Bruh. Let's just forget about the coin nonsense. We don't care about you, Mr. Coin. We're gonna add a sprite to scare. Okay. Let's try making a character. So we can turn it into a snake. Actually, not this guy. And now we're just going to color him all black. And just keep on doing that. And this just takes us forever. Okay, so we're almost done. Bam. Now just get the red block and do pencil. And now just draw the eyes, like very creepy. Done. And now we're going back to our time lapse. Let's put him right next to the treasure chest. Okay, the coordinates are 30, 30. We have to remember that. Scene. place my sprite on 30 and row 30. And if you somehow become the dumbest person in the world and try to touch that guy, you will die. So, let's say, on sprite of kind player, that's gonna be our enemy of kind enemy. We're gonna say, make it say game over, lose. Now let's test it out. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna crash out. Let's see. Just walk. I'll remove these yellow blocks later. Yo, that's crazy. But first, the treasure chest is right there, and you're not gonna, the person that's playing it is not wanting to touch that guy. What did I see? Pick the wall tool. Just do that, and that. And now you're gonna go to gallery, go to forest, and just carve out another room. We're gonna place this guy right over here. Let's remove these yellow blocks because they're actually annoying me. Get out. No! I don't want to erase the entire block. I want to just get rid of it and put it into dirt. So, dirt. And 1 second. Bruh. That's gonna take me a little while. And just reset the game. Let's test it out. Okay, just reloading. La 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 la. Just the peaceful guy in the maze. Oh, who are you? Can I have a hug? Oof. That's crazy. Actually, he looks kind of like an enemy. So we're gonna make him friendly. Let's make him. Let's make it a princess. Done. Changed it. And now we're gonna test out the entire game. So you're like la 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 la. Do down here. Go up. Then down, then down. I'm just gonna test the treasure chests. Oh, who are you? Bruh. So yeah, I'm gonna refresh and test out the treasure chests. Okay, up. Fit in. My character's too fat, bruh. Look, watch this. Oof. Okay guys, so that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and yeah, that's the end of the video guys. Bye.